Hi guys, hope you are doing well and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Monicah. This channel is all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. First of all, I'd like to thank you for the love and the support that you've shown me in my other videos. I highly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and also do not forget to share. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I organize my refrigerator and the tips that work for me. Once again guys, thank you so much and feel appreciated. I hope you enjoy this video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just
I've already cleaned and disinfected everything that I came with from the market, So right now what I'm going to do is to arrange them in the fridge, everything else apart from the potatoes. I don't store potatoes in the fridge, and also the biscuits, I don't store biscuits in the fridge. Yeah. For easy access, I normally divide the sausages into portions. I use a cling film to store them in a tin, in a plastic tin, and then later on place them in the freezer. That way, it's easier to access, and just pick the one that I'm to cook and defrost, since you cannot cook the whole packet. For dania, or rather coriander, to last longer and maintain their freshness, the trick that I use is to store them in an airtight container after washing them. I use the same trick for lettuce too, that is storing them in an airtight container. And for dania and lettuce, I always store them in the fresh room compartment of the refrigerator. This way, they can at least last a little bit longer because that compartment is not oftenly opened. By the way guys, I got these cute vegetable storage boxes from Anuwai Homeware. You can check them out. I got these cute glass bottles from Odds and Ends Kenya. I'll be using them to store our milk and also juice, homemade juice, yes. So guys, this is our freezer after organizing it. For me, I don't like to store cooked meat in the freezer, or even cereals. I store uncooked meat, and also for peas, I just store uncooked peas. Another thing that I'd like to share with you guys is the use of bicarbonate of soda in the fridge. It helps to eliminate odor. Yeah, I always just open it up, then place it in a central place. At least it helps to absorb the smell. That is, if there is any. I think there's one mistake that I've been doing for quite a while now, that is storing the tomatoes in the refrigerator. I understand the tomatoes are not supposed to be stored in the refrigerator, rather, they're better off on the countertop. So that's one thing that I'll have to change. And also, I use the zipper bags to separate the vegetables from the fruits, because the big box is not as big as the name suggests. So, at least the zipper bags helps me to separate them. So guys, this is how our refrigerator looks like. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to share and to also hit the notification button so that you don't miss on my other videos. Until the next one.